Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hide silent notifications in the status bar on your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is scroll up on your home screen and then select the Setting Gear button. And now you want to go and select the Notifications button on this page. Scroll down underneath General where it says Hide Silent Notifications in Status Bar. If you want to hide silent notifications in the status bar, click inside the oval one time and toggle to the right, meaning that is enabled. If you do not want to silent notifications in the status bar, click inside the oval one time. It should be grayed out. It means you will not be hiding silent notifications, and that notifications will be displayed. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.